Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make pickled cucumbers. The cucumber here in Denmark are ripening very fast at the moment, so one of the things that we like to do is make pickled cucumbers in different sizes and shapes. You can do them any way that you prefer, so I'll take you along step by step so you can see how it's done and make it yourself. So let's get going. To begin with, we need to sterilize our jars. So I'm going to put a cloth into the pot and then in the jars inside of it. And then we need to fill it with water to make sure that all the jars is covered by water. I added some salt to make sure that no calcium is going to build up on the side of the jars. Put it on the stove and turn up the heat high. For this recipe we're going to use 1.2 liters of water, 3 deciliters of vinegar, some dill, some mustard and peppercorn, 60 grams of sugar, 30 grams of salt, and of course some ripe cucumbers. While the jars are cooking, fill a pot with the water, add in the pepper and the mustard corns, the sugar and the salt, the vinegar, and of course the dill, and let it boil up for a couple of minutes. Slice up the cucumbers in preferred size. You can do it any way you feel like, squares, rectangular, circle. When the jars has been boiling for 10 minutes, it's time to pick them up and put in the cucumbers. Add the cucumbers to the jars. Remember to fill them up so you don't need to use so much brine. When the brine has reached boiling temperature, give it a stir to make sure that the salt and the sugar have been dissolved, and it's time to put them into the jars. Here it's very important that you fill up the jars all the way to the rim of the jar, or as close as you can get. Then it's time to put the lid on. Remember that the brine is boiling hot, so please protect your hands with a cloth or something like that. Just loosely tighten the jars and then put them into the big pot where we sterilized them at the beginning. And here we are going to boil them for approximately 10 minutes before letting them cool down. I'm going to add an empty jar into the middle just to make sure that they won't tumble over while they're cooking. After 10 minutes they're done, so we're going to take them out of the water. They look very nice. And here is the final result. Pickled cucumbers that I can preserve for the winter months, so we still have a taste of the summer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, that will mean the world to us. And until next time, bye!